boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with Bank, who are offering an incredible 50% cashback on deposit, which as you can see is absolutely insane. There's another bonus for trading as well, so make sure to get involved in the description below. Make sure to take advantage along with all of our other exchange partnerships. The next thing I'd like to talk about is Sapphire Studios token, otherwise known as SST. SST is in pre-sale with 100x potential because it will be the core coin in not just one game, but in lots of games. And not just any games, the most sophisticated games you can make on mobile, called real-time strategy MMOs. Mobile real-time strategy MMOs are a massive real-time multiplayer games that can have tens of thousands of players per server, with gameplay happening 24/7. The sophistication makes other Web3 games like Axes look like kids' games. Sapphire Studios is going for mass adoption on a large scale by competing directly with the biggest mobile titles like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Forge of Empires and Rise of Kingdoms. Why buy SST right now? It's got true potential for mass adoption, and at under 10 million market cap at pre-sale, with one of its MMO games, Gold Inc. is already live, it has a real shot at beating out simple games like Axes that have a $1 billion market cap. Currently you can use the link in the description below to get 30% off more SST today. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel today. As we can see, still coiling up inside of this kind of flag formation here. We've obviously been sweeping the liquidity below this level over and over and over and over and over and over again, over and over and over again on KuCoin, continuously getting these manipulations down below these levels of liquidity down here. But even with Bitcoin pulling back, you can see Verasity here isn't really dropping that much at all. You can see we've kind of been just chopping around for the past few weeks really. Bitcoin looking like, as I predicted, it's probably going to be having a retrace back down towards this 100k area here. Obviously if that's the case, we'll see the wider market pulling back. Verasity here though looking reasonably strong, and to be honest a bit decorrelated from the rest of the market because of how much it's been smashed down recently. Much more potential for upside than downside for me for Verasity from these areas here. You can see we've clearly back tested into this previous key area of structure, finally come down and back tested into it, and we're looking like we're getting this kind of W double bottom pattern here where we basically come down, swept liquidity multiple times below this area, and we're basically just running out of liquidity below, but there's probably far more liquidity above at this point that we could be targeting. There is obviously this trendline resistance here that's probably the next target I would say is pretty likely to get hit soon. Coincides nicely with that 0.23 Fibonacci level there, as you can see up here at around 1/4 of a cent. Obviously I do think that this is probably going to be the more likely scenario of the two than just continuing down for Verasity, because the sheer amount of selling off we've already seen for Verasity, I think there's far more desire for this to go up than to go down at this point from the current levels. And I do think with the rest of the market, considering the rest of the market right now is dropping, Verasity is just not really that concerned or bothered. I think it says a lot really, and it does look like to me we're probably going to be more likely to get a bounce to the upside here and come up towards some of these key levels of liquidity that people have probably got stop losses above. I don't think we're going to be going down and sweeping the low again and again and again. Probably looking to consolidate here and then pick up off the lows over the next few months. Thanks a lot for watching again guys for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for Bank to get your 50% cashback bonus and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks for watching.